Here's what a test item may look like. Sentence 7. The committee submitted their final vote on the new policy. Which correction should be made to sentence 7? And here you have your 5 options. You have option 1, change new to new. 2, replace their with its. 3, rewrite final as final. 4, change policy to policies. And 5, no change necessary. So now let's take a closer look at our screen. Need your high school diploma? Your Path for Adult Learners offers 24/7 online GED and HiSET preparation courses for adults that are seeking to earn their high school credential. Learn more about our program at yourpathforadultlearners.com. So you want to keep in mind that when you're completing the language arts section of your exam, you will be required to read a text, and from the text, you will be required to edit sentences taken from the text. So in this particular case, we're looking at sentence number 7. So one way that we can address this question, if we're unsure about our answer, is to utilize the process of elimination, where we're actually looking at each option one by one to determine whether or not that option applies to our question. So when we look at option number 1, we have change new to new. When we come here to our sentence, we have new policy. In this case, the word new is acting as an adjective because it is describing policy. What type of policy? The new policy. So it's introducing this policy. So in terms of the correct word, new, this word is correct, whereas the word new here is the past tense of no. And so we're going to eliminate option number 1 because it does not apply in terms of answering our question, which states which correction should be made to sentence 7. So when we look at option number 2, we have replace their with its. When we come up here to our sentence, we have the word their final vote. This word there is acting as a pronoun, and it is referring to our subject, which is committee. So here we have a plural pronoun. However, we have here a singular subject, which is our noun. So we do have an error in this case because we have a singular subject. However, we have a plural pronoun. So now in this case, we need to apply what is known as our subject pronoun agreement that states that when we have a singular subject, we also need a singular pronoun because our pronoun refers back to our subject. It takes the place of our noun. So option number 2 is the correct choice in terms of answering our question, which states which correction should be made to sentence 7. We do need to change or replace their with its so that our subject and pronoun will agree in terms of its number. We have a singular subject, and so therefore we need a singular pronoun. So then our sentence would read, the committee submitted its final vote on the new policy. Having determined that option number 2 is the correct choice, we can then eliminate options number 3, 4, and 5 because we know that option number 2 is the correct choice in terms of which correction should be made to sentence number 7. So thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and watch out for more videos to come your way. Remember, you can learn more about our 24/7 online GED and HiSET preparation courses by visiting our website at www.yourpathforadultlearners.com.